PHG, Psychological Warfare, Infantry Division, 329th Regiment.
Well, Lieutenant, just how close to these enemy outposts can we get with the tank?
Well, here is the enemy outpost line along this stream. As far as we know now, the platoon CP is here at this mill. Now, I believe you can get out to this mill here with the tank.
Well, just a minute. We have a minefield across here. We'll have to take off before you can move the tank out the road.
But you can get those mines lifted.
Oh, yes. It won't take long to do that.
And what I'd like to know is what kind of opposition have we got in that area, and so I can tell them something that might get them out.
Well, as far as I know, they have about a platoon outposted along this line. The platoon leader's name is Lieutenant Paul, and from prisoners we've found out that his morale is rather low because he has a rather large sector to defend. Now, if they're soldiers, if that's all the soldiers there are there, and we can get them out, the civilians in the town will probably put up white flags because they don't like our artillery that you hear going over now.
I see. Now, how big a platoon is that the Germans have got? Because they have all kinds of sizes nowadays.
Well, we know of 14 men that are along the sector right here. Then over at the barn that we were firing the artillery at, there's possibly another squad. I imagine there may be a platoon of about 40 men altogether.
All right, we can do it.
Yes, I know it.
Okay.
Well, that's about the situation as I know it. Do you have any more questions about it?
No, I guess that's all.
Well, we'll get the mines out of the way then, and move out to the middle of the tank, and let's hope we can get them fellows to come in. Now, if we do, maybe we can occupy the town, another city of 18,000 population.
Well, we have done it before, and we'll do our best to do it again.
Okay.
Start at the beginning. Some of the very early stuff. Sergeant, you start talking. What you started with?
Lieutenant, just how close to these enemy outposts can we get with this loudspeaker tank?
Well, here's the enemy outpost line along this little stream. The platoon CP that we know about is right here at this mill. Now, I believe that you can get out to this mill here successfully and make the broadcast.
There's one thing about that. We'll have to move the mines across this road we have out here just on the outside of the outpost line.
Well, Lieutenant Little, suppose you get the mines out of there then. You can pick them up all right, can't you?
Yes, sir. Fine, dandy.
Well, what I want to know is what kind of fellows we're going to meet in there, because I have to make my appeal accordingly. Do you know anything about them?
Well, we know that there's a platoon along in here. Now, we know of a CP with 14 men.
Mm-hmm.
We know their ranks and so on, and the names of some of them. Their morale is very low because they have such a wide sector to defend.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I believe the platoon altogether has about 40 men in it.
Well, I guess we can go and do it now.
All right, Gordon.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. Okay.